everyone, welcome to my channel. We're going to make this beautiful little heart pendant today, and the step-by-steps are so easy. Let's begin. You will need 15 centimeters of 1mm wire and bend it in half. Make a nice little point. This is the bottom of the heart. Now we're going to bend it outwards and then bend the little rounded parts of the heart to form the shape. This wire is not too soft and it's not too hard, so I can just shape it with my fingers. Now we're going to start to make it pretty. Curl up one of the arms of the side of the heart, curl it up nice and tightly, and then what you're going to do is just tap it on your anvil to flare out the wire and to make a pretty shine and texture. I just love the texture of copper wire when it is hammered. It's just beautiful. For me, the most beautiful wire. Now we are going to decorate the other side, and this is the fun part. Cut yourself a piece of 30 centimeter long 0.3mm wire and join it onto the end of the side wire. Wrap it on, secure it, tighten it up, make sure it's nice and neat. And now taking the longer length, thread a bead on it, and then that wire goes back to your heart wire, and you will do 5 coils around the wire. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to add on another bead, and so on, and you're going to repeat this for 5 beads. Add your beads one at a time, slide it down the wire, and then wrap your coil. Now, as you work, just compress the wires so that they're not all spread out, but that your coils look nice and neat. I think this is a lovely little heart pendant to make in this Christmas season, because it can be a gift to someone. You can even turn them into earrings. Make it a bit smaller and make very pretty little dangle earrings. Once you have wound on all your beads, then make one longish coil, I would say about 1/2 centimeter of coil, and this you're going to slide right down the length of that arm of the heart. Tidy up your wires so that there are no little scratchy bits, and compress the coil. And now we're sliding all those beads down the side of the heart, and you can compress them a little bit so they're all next to each other. If you wanted to, you could even have put beads on the other side of this heart as well. This is a basic design, and you can add your own flair to it, which I'm sure you will. So now we are curling up the other side of the heart, flare it out on the anvil, and bend it into place so that the two heart sides balance each other. Flare out your wires so that it all looks uniform, and you can see how that wire just shines. And now we're going to do a little burnishing. If you don't have a burnisher, you can use the back of a stainless steel teaspoon or knife. Now we're going to make the bail. Cut one length of 1 mm wire, 5 centimeters long, and bend it in half. Make sure the wires are nice and straight. And now you're going to slide that wire into the top of your heart, catching in both sides of the curls. You can see how it just fits in there. And then what we're going to do is curl each wire around the heart wire. So make a little bend and then just wind it on, and you'll see how easy it is. It's looking good, isn't it? And such a simple little design. Make sure both of your curls on each side of the bail are equal. We don't want it to be higgledy-piggledy or lying over to one side, do we? You can see how the little bail hinges. It's just such a simple little design. Flare it a little on your anvil just to make it look pretty. You know, my anvil is a little old sad iron. It's so cute and I love it. This has turned out so beautifully. To make a twist, and that will make your bail face the correct way, and we're done. Please take care of yourselves. You are very special. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.